Hey guys, this is a quick look unboxing review at the Panasonic EH-NA65-K. Pretty awesome technology in this guy, ionic power. Let's take a look. You have your attachments. Man, the people that make Xboxes and the people that make hair dryers really need to get together and streamline their boxes, because opening hair dryers, the boxes are just all thrown in there. Snazzy jazz. Jeez Louise, it's like a speed gun. How fast were you going, sir? Well, let me tell you. All right. Pretty nice rubbery plastic material. I'm not sure if that's a digital display on the back. You have your cool, which doesn't stay. Okay, they're independent, which is cool. So you can say, hi, how are you doing? And cool. Or you can say, hi, hot, low, warm. Pretty cool. Independently, they should. I think every hair dryer should have this feature. And super long cord. You have your breaker switch. So you don't actually flip the breaker on the panel. You would just hit this thing. It's also a way to hard shut it off. All right, so let's look at the different attachments. You got this one. Whatever that does. Looks kind of better. I normally just use it like this, but maybe this is going to be a better solution for me. And for my wife, she normally uses this one, which I'm not sure if this is going to work for her because it seems to be a bit of a weird mouth. And this is the mouth we normally use. So kind of weird. Kind of like duck lips. So let's try out the duck lips. Woo! Looks kind of nice. Can I use other attachments from other companies? No! So what we're going to do to determine how awesome this is compare it to the one we normally use, which is the InfinitiPro by Conair, and we're using the same kind of attachments, and we're going to put it on high and hot and full blown, and I will give my opinion of which one gets hotter, faster, louder, etc. Sound test of the InfinitiPro by Conair. Sound test of the Panasonic EH-NA65. Now for the warmth test, I'm going to let them both heat up. So in terms of heat, they both feel about the same. For price points, we're talking about $60 to $70, and we're talking about 260 Canadian for this guy. So for velocity, I'll be removing the heads. So I can say for velocity, the InfinitiPro by Conair is faster. You could really feel it on your hand from far away. It's also louder. So without actually comparing the wattage, I don't have that at my fingertips. I would say that this is the better one to go with. I'm not sure why you would go, 260 versus 60 on this guy, because it's all about the heat, the wattage, and the velocity. So, anyways, if you get it as a gift, that's nice for sure. But there's definitely some cheaper options out there that have higher velocity, better heat, and better options. The cord is super long, and overall, it's a good hair dryer, but I would definitely say sticking with something on the lower end, and it's definitely not worth checking out if you're interested in saving your money.